Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will go over the anatomy of the mandible. This is the mandible. It forms the lower jaw and it holds the lower teeth in place, whereas the maxilla, it holds the upper teeth in place. Let's start with the structures on the mandible. First, right here, we have the body of the mandible. On the body, we have the mental foramen right here. Also on the other side, we have the mental foramen. This right here is the mental protuberance. Moving to the angle right here, this is the mandibular angle. Also, this is the mandibular angle. This right here is the mandibular ramus. Looks like a wing. Also on the other side, we have the mandibular ramus. On the inside of the mandibular ramus, we have the mandibular foramen. So you can see the mandibular foramen on both sides. The mandible, it articulates with the temporal bone on each side. This articulation forms the temporomandibular joint right here. Also, on the other side, we have the temporomandibular joint with the temporal bone right here. Let's go over the two processes on the mandible. This right here is the condylar process. This right here is the coronoid process. Also, we have a coronoid process in the ulna, the bone in your forearm. This right here is the mandibular notch, a U-shaped notch. Let's go over the two processes on the mandible. Posteriorly, we have the condylar process right here. Anteriorly, toward the teeth, we have the coronoid process. Also in the ulna, the bone in your forearm, we have a coronoid process as well. Between the coronoid process and the condylar process, we have the mandibular notch. So let's repeat the parts of the mandible. This right here is the body, that is the ramus. This is the mandibular angle. This is the mental foramen. Right here, that's the mental foramen. This is the mental protuberance. This right here is the mandibular foramen. This is the condylar process. This is the coronoid process. And this is the mandibular notch.